Hello everyone, what's up? Today we will look into the advanced feature of conditional formatting. If you have not watched lesson number 9, you can find it in the I icon above or in the description box below, which explains about the basic conditional formatting. Without making further delay, let's go to Excel. Friends, in the active sheet, we have a table with ISINs and the prices. Let's say I want to see the prices of a specific ISIN. You need to find manually, or you need to use find, or you have to put filters. In this case, conditional formatting does the job very quickly. J2 cell has an ISIN and the same has been highlighted in the row number 7 for your convenience. Here I want to use the conditional formatting to highlight the cells. As I need the full row B to F needs to be highlighted, I will select the table. In Home, Conditional Formatting, New Rule. Here we can see use a formula to determine which cells to format. Now here you can see a formula bar, and to write any formula we need to use is equal to. So is equal to. Remember friends, conditional formatting will start from the first cell in the selected area. Whenever you are giving a reference, make sure that you are giving it to the first cell in the selected area. In this case, it is going to be B2 is equal to J2. If it is equal, then we have to format. So click on format. Let's go to green and click on OK. Click on OK. Still the conditional formatting didn't work. We will go and see what is the problem. Conditional formatting. This time we are going to manage rules. Click on the rule, edit rule. Here you can see we entered B2 and it locked the cell. When it is considering in the conditional formatting, it checks for B2 only. So we need to lock the column as the column would be B, but I have to unlock row as the row will be keep on changing. Friends, lesson number 9 also explains about the cell references. Please go through it to understand the absolute and relative references. Here we want to unlock the row and click on OK and apply. See, now you have row highlighted. We will change the values and check. Great, it is working fine. Now we will do the same for column also. To do so, we have to select under Home, Conditional Formatting, New Rule. This one is equal to B2 is equal to this time J3. This time we want to lock row and unlock column. So remove, format, green, click on OK. OK. Here we can see both row and the columns are highlighted. Now I want to highlight the cell where the row and column is meeting. Conditional formatting, new rule, use a formula to determine which cell to format. This time we need to use AND formula. So we'll start is equal to and bracket open. So for rows, what we did, we selected this and we locked column is equal to J2, comma, this one. This time we have to lock row is equal to J3 and bracket close. Click on format. Let's say I will highlight with yellow. Click on OK. OK. We have the cell highlighted with yellow. Why only one cell? Because this is the only cell which is matching ISIN with J2 and the column header with J3. Everything looks good, but I don't want to see the conditional formatting for the column headers. For that, you have to select the column headers, conditional formatting, new rule is equal to this is equal to this. Here column will be changing, row will not be changing. So column unlock. Now I want the default formatting. Click on OK. But it didn't work. Here many people break their head if they don't understand the logic behind the conditional formatting. The formula is correct, but we need to see the sequence. We'll go to conditional formatting, click on manage rules. First, it will make the headers blank, then highlights the cell with yellow, then it will format column and then row. Means whatever we put here is overlapped by this condition. To correct, you can click on stop if true and click on apply and then OK. And now we have the required result. If you want to clear the conditional formatting you applied, go to conditional formatting, clear rules. You have multiple options here. So I want to clear the conditional formatting of entire sheet. I'll click on entire sheet. Now we see all the conditional formatting is gone. Friends, conditional formatting can be used as a very powerful option in KPI and dashboards. Please take new real cases and try applying the conditional formatting. I'm sure you will have the better results and you can get few scenarios where it can be more complicated, but practice can bring you to the perfection. Hope this video was informative. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. It will be free and it will be very useful for me. We will meet in the next session. Till then, take care, watch the videos, keep supporting us and don't forget to practice Excel. Practice is the only key to success in Excel. Thank you.